Hello students, this is Poonam teacher back with a new video of Science 2, and today I'll be teaching you that what should be our role towards the environment. So first one is conservation. We have to conserve whatever available resources are there, let it be plants, animals or any other minerals and so on. Then control. We have to prevent harming the animals or whatever living creatures are there around us. Then we have to stop all the harmful activities like hunting or like caging them or like trapping the animals or the birds or any other creatures. Then we have to change the mindset. We have to look towards the environment with a positive attitude, and we have to take all those things into mind that if we are harming the environment, we are indirectly harming ourselves. Then production, revival of harmed factors of environment. Revival of harmed factors, that means we have to bring about the improvement in whatever things we have once harmed. So if we will be bringing about improvement in such a things, surely we can protect our environment. That means we have to take some positive steps towards the environment, like if once we have started hunting, so now we'll be stopping hunting. This is just an example. So the meaning of revival here means to bring about the improvement or to strengthen certain factors. Then attempting innovation. Innovation, that means to introduce some novel steps in protecting the environment. Then preservation, preserving whatever has been left over. So whatever things are left with us, that we have to preserve, because until and unless we preserve, one day those creatures are going to be extinct, and then this is going to harm our environment indirectly. Remedies to prevent further loss, then we have to take certain steps to prevent the loss of those living creatures. Preserving unknown regions. Unknown regions, that means the regions which are quite sensitive in biodiversity. We have to protect those regions, and we have to introduce those regions to the world, and we have to create an awareness that such kind of regions are quite sensitive, and it contains lots of living creatures, so those regions should not be harmed. Then prevention, we have to prevent whatever harms we can prevent. All those things, possible harms, are to be prevented. Designing new plans, again we have to plan something new for protecting our environment. Then we have to uh, decrease the factors which are harmful to the environment. That means if let it be pollution, let it be hunting, or let it be trapping the animals, so, or let it be some disturbing the food chain and all. So this kind of factors are harmful to the environment, so we have to prevent all those things. Then awareness, in that it comes education. We should include all these things into the syllabus of the students, so that students will be educated towards the environment. Then we have to guidance should be given to each and every citizen, so that they'll take part in protecting the environment. Then awareness, we have to create the awareness about what is environment, what are its factors and how to protect it. Then imitation, if any country or any individual or any group of people or any organization is doing something good towards the environment, we have to follow their model in order to protect our environment. Then organization, then group of people can come together and can work for environment. Then participation, each and every individual should actively participate in protecting the environment. Then hotspots of biodiversity. See, there are 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots which are reported all over the world. You might have heard nowadays about the hotspots of corona. So what does it mean? It means that in that particular area there are maximum number of patients are there. So here hotspots of biodiversity, that means number of living creatures of various varieties of species will be observed in such a area. So such areas are going to be sensitive, and such areas are to be protected. Then such areas once occupied 15.7% area of the earth, but at present 86% of the sensitive areas have been destroyed. So whatever is left over with us, whatever hotspots or whatever sensitive areas with living creatures are present with us today, we have to protect them. Then 2.3% area of the earth has been left over, and it contains about 1,50,000 plant species, which is 50% of the world count. That means 50% plant species of the entire world are included in such sensitive areas, so that only 2.3% area of the earth has been left, which contains 1,50,000 plant species. Then as far as India is considered, out of 135 species of animals, 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region, and about 1500 endemic plant species are found into Western Ghat. Now this Western Ghat includes the parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat. So it contains 1500 endemic plant species. Now what do you understand by endemic? That means those plants will be found in that particular area only and will not found anywhere else. So that is the meaning of endemic. Then, which are the endangered heritage places of the country? Now, the Western Ghats, which is spread over, I told you that it contains part of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. So, it has been endangered because of the mining industry. Mining industry, I've taught you into chemistry that whenever we extract the metals, we extract the metals from the mines. So, mines contains the ore. So, mining industry, that means the activity of extracting the metal. So there for the search of natural gases, such Western Ghats are exploited, and that is the habitat of Asiatic lion and wild bison. So because of this, those animals are threatened. Then Manas Sanctuary, which is present into Barpeta, Assam, that is also a threatened region because it consists of tiger and one-horned rhino, which is world famous, and it is threatened due to the dams and the indiscriminate use of the water. Then Sundarban Sanctuary is found into West Bengal. It is reserved for tigers, and it is also threatened because of the dams, deforestation, and excessive fishing.